say this twice. I'm thinking about you. Water into wine. Back when you were mine. It was us against the world. Said I didn't miss you. I lied. This is sink or swim. We both know it is. Spend my whole life waiting. Dream of chances like roll the dice with me one last time.
We're in Santa Barbara right now. And we're gonna stop by a lunch spot first. It's called Brothy Bros. And they're like a seafood restaurant by the harbor. Oh, awesome. Thank you. You're welcome. So we ordered ceviche, clam chowder, and fish and chips. It's a pretty huge portion of the ceviche itself. Comes with bread. Let me try. Oh, I like the bread itself already. And then right now it's like lunchtime. As you can see, it's packed. This place is absolutely packed. We were lucky enough to wait only 2 minutes to get a seat. We asked for first available and end up with the indoor. It's okay. The outside seating will be a lot much better because you actually see the marinas. But you know, I'm hungry. So this is ceviche. It looks like there's a lot of. Oh, they actually put salad in here. That's the first. Tomato, onion, fish, and then garden salad on the bottom with the lemon, and then I'm guessing this is cocktail sauce with horseradish. Ah. Do not ever eat the horseradish by itself. Oh, spicy. When we were ordering the ceviche, we actually got a option whether to have crackers or tortilla chip. We personally like the tortilla chip because it's a bit more crunchier and just overall tastes a lot better. So let me try a ceviche just by itself before I put down the tortilla. The fish is cooked. Typically ceviche have raw fish, but then the fish in here is cooked already. It's not fishy at all. It tastes much better when you put some lemon on it, so it just has some flavor to it. And now, let me try to put this all together. I'm just gonna put a little bit cocktail sauce, just a little bit. See how it tastes like. The horseradish and the cocktail sauce actually is really good. It brings out the fish's flavor a lot, and just a little dash is good enough because it's quite strong. So if you put a lot, then all you taste is a horseradish sauce, but just a little bit with the fish, it tastes really good. So our meal finally came up. This is the fish and chip that we ordered, and that is a clam chowder. We ordered a bowl of clam chowder along with salad. So let's check them out. The fish and chips comes with coleslaw and a tartar sauce, and ketchup is. There's a lot of pepper in the ketchup, so ketchup is a lot of pepper. So let's try the coleslaw first. The coleslaw has poppy seeds in it. Has a pretty nice flavor to them. The fishes in here are pretty big. If you look at inside here, I'm not sure what kind of fish in it, but it looks like a white fish. So let's try it. Oh, that's hot. Very fresh, very flaky. And then the batter is supposed to be a beer batter. The batter has a very slight fermentative flavor to it. That might be caused from the beer. The beer actually makes a difference. I don't know. I personally like the ketchup better on the fish itself. The ketchup is slightly sour, so it tends to bring up the flavor from the fish a bit more better. The tartar sauce is more creamy. It's a milder taste, more creamy, milder taste, rather than a very contrasting flavor from dipping into the ketchup. Fries. Very crunchy fries. No, it's pretty good fries. Very crunchy, very meaty, seasoned perfectly with salt on there. I'm actually really looking forward for the clam chowder soup. That looks so yummy. The clam chowder soup comes with salad, I think some grape tomatoes in here, and then of course a bag of crackers. Let's just try the soup itself for now. So I see tomato, potato, and some celery on here for now. Oh, that's actually really good soup. And then there's like lamb. Almost in every bite. I mean, I took 2 spoonfuls just out of randomly, and then I'm tasting like clams like in every single spoon. It's a lot of clam meat in here. It's seasoned really well. It's not overly salty, not overly creamy. Certain times the clam chowder can be a little bit too creamy, to the point like it's not really good anymore, but it's not overly creamy, and it's a really good soup. Really love the soup. Salad, looks like there's some Parmesan cheese shavings on top of salad. Just a regular grain salad. Maybe some ranch sauce on the bottom, not too sure yet, with cucumbers and garden greens. It's ranch on the bottom. Tastes like any regular salad. Will taste like, but do get the clam chowder. Clam chowder is a really, really good chowder. So that's what we have for lunch. Stay tuned for later.